Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be going down to a meet and greet that Adam LZ is hosting here in North Carolina. So whenever I saw him post it, I thought that it was just going to be another city that was just called the same thing in Florida. Turns out it's actually here in North Carolina, so I was like, why not? You know, it's like right under an hour for me. So I'm gonna go check it out. It should be a good turnout. More than likely they're gonna have food trucks and whatnot, so should be a cool event. I just got done washing the car, so it was a little bit dirty. Why not? Probably nobody's really gonna see it that much, but you never know. So figured clean it up, make the drive, go hang out, get some content. Why not, right? So let's go ahead and see and hop in the shower first and then head out. We got an M3 replica here, kind of like what I'm doing, except I think this bumper is actually made for the regular 3 Series, because you can tell that the flares are not wider, but everything else is pretty much what I'm going to be doing. M3 side skirts, M3 fenders, the GTR hood, an M3 front. Pretty cool. I think I'm actually going to be leaving the mirrors myself, so that way so I can kind of not try to make it too much like a M3 rep. So I think I'm going to put my M3 mirrors that I bought for sale and then just run the factory ones. Also, it saves me the hassle of having to try to figure out how to wire them up. But pretty cool to see. Nice. So we just went walking around, and there's some cool cars out here. Something different than that we normally don't see, obviously, because I attend a lot of BMW events. So it's cool to see some cars out of the normal. And some of these cars I actually haven't seen around the area. Here, like the wind.
The dirt went in my eyeballs.
Yeah, so it's super windy today, and there's a lot of dirt on the in the actual parking lot. So once that wind hits, it's like a smack in the face with little grains of dirt. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since the last video, well, from the beginning of the video, and I want to show you guys. I threw the wheels on here, and the back doesn't rub. The front does rub a little bit. It's not bad, but I think just rolling the fenders is going to do the trick. You guys can see right here. Oh, let me get out the way. We got this view right here. It's really tight, so it does rub a little bit, but luckily it's not rubbing up against the bumper. And I think once I get the fenders rolled, which I'm going to be doing this on Thursday, so by the time you guys see this video, I should be getting it done the day after, and hopefully I can report back with positive results. So right now, once again, the specs are 9.5 square plus 22, running 265 35s front and rear. I think you could easily get away without having to roll the fenders by running a 245, but since these were for the E46, I just left the tires on there. But they are gonna have to come off because these do not have the tire pressure sensors, and right now the light's on, so I'll worry about that later. But right now the back can't really complain. You can't really get any more perfect than this, and it's like this on both sides. So I'm really happy with the outcome. The car looks really good to me. I know polish isn't for everybody, but just like black wheels, they're not for me, and black wheels aren't for everybody. So I'm really happy with this result. I'm leaving the 18s. I mean, at first I wasn't a fan of 18s on these cars, but seeing it at this height and everything with the tires, it just kind of works for me. Like, look at this view, just can't go wrong. But I wanted to make this video just to show you guys and give you guys an update on the car and how it sits. Also, I'm gonna be working on a custom hood for this car. I was gonna do the GTS just to take the easy way out, but it is 2 months out of stock. Well, 2 months back order. It's out of stock right now, and I really don't want to wait that long. And I honestly wanted to do something different since I've done the GTS twice already. So we're gonna go with the custom route. I have something in mind already that I got inspirations off another car. So once everything gets situated and I get everything going, I'll show you guys kind of more of the details on what I have going on for this or plans for the hood on it. But it should look good. It's gonna look aggressive. That's gonna do it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little feeling. Sorry if it's windy. I'm recording off my phone and it's a bit windy out here, so I don't know how good this thing is gonna do with the sound. I know they got a setting on it, but I haven't really messed with it to block off like background noise. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.